Let me explain to you about the Bissell Air400 air purifier. It has the automated Circulate system that utilizes a 2.5 particle sensor to monitor, report, and respond to changes in your indoor air quality by adjusting the fan speed as necessary. It has a CADR score of 307 for dust and 206 for pollen. It is 27.24 inches tall, 18.9 inches wide, and 12.2 inches deep. It is for rooms up to 432 square feet, and the sound is where I found it very impressive. It's actually extremely quiet. On its low setting, which they call silent mode, you don't even know it's on. It's kind of nuts, and the weight of the unit is 22.82 pounds. Let me explain to you more about how the automated Circulate system works, especially how this sensor works in terms of its colors. And this is what that auto mode indicates. So if you have good air quality, it's gonna light up in this aqua. Medium, moderate will be yellow, and poor will be in the red. So you can get all the way to 457, and 2.5 particle is really your dust and dander size. If you guys want to see, it has a mode description, so you can set it on max, auto, or silent, and silent's really like a night mode. They have a night mode, but silent is really like a night mode, and this is what the overall buttons look like. And we've turned it on. And I'll show you the menu buttons for the first time. And this is what your menu buttons will look like. And we'll bring it up. Nice detailed view. So you have your power. So if we turn it on, and you can see that our power buttons have lit up. We're on auto mode. Fan speed is low, medium, high. You have your 1, 4, 8 timer, filter reset, and you have the dual filters there. It's going to be for 3-stage filtration. It comes with a pre-filter, an activated carbon filter, and a HEPA filter. Now let's talk about its stats. So the smoke CADR score here is going to be 279, and this is going to be for rooms up to 432 square feet. So this is going to be good for large bedrooms, living areas, and on the smaller side of your basement. Let's see about changing its filter. So here is how you change its filter. You're going to be opening the back panel, and you have 2 filters inside. This is your pre-filter, nylon pre-filter. This is your HEPA filter. And so here is that honeycomb. You can see that those little carbon filters. I'm going to place it inside. Place this inside, and that's going to form your 3-stage filter. You place this in. I'll lock this into place. And let's turn it on. So we've turned it on. And you'll notice, what do you guys notice there? You see it? You'll notice that it gives you a particle reading. And that particle reading is going to tell you what's the air quality of the room. So 23, that's very good. That's 23. If it shows 400, that's very bad. If you increase the fan speed, so if I increase the fan speed, we're going to be on low, medium. Let's say we are medium. I'll set the timer. If you want to put it on max, auto. This is on silent. Silent is pretty much, you can't even hear it. You have it on max. Max is the max fan speed. And we can turn it off.